Yeah, man. Look at that. Here. Yeah, man. Looks like a multiple vehicle MVA here. Yeah, man. It is a multi-vehicle MVA.
Oh, he bumped right into the back of him.
Multiple vehicle rear end MVA. Yeah, man. The timing. Look at that. Talk about the timing. Let's make you. Wait a minute. Maybe medic. No, medic. No, Mick. You. Let's make you 291 on the scene. We've spent a little time on our hands here.
Yep, a couple minutes.
You can walk over and see what actually went down. Yeah, man. Look at that.
Ouch, don't go too far. Anne's gonna come out and get you.
Look at that. Look at that timing. According to what I can see here, it's a Nissan van that rear-ended a Nissan truck. Apparently this Nissan van can seat up to 12, but in this van's case, this is a cargo vehicle. This is a cargo van here. Oh wait, the truck looks like a Toyota. That's a Toyota Tacoma. The pickup is a Toyota Tacoma. Yeah, man. What? Are you kidding me? That's an undercover car. City police as well. You know how I can tell? You know how I can tell these guys are city cops? The uniforms. I can tell a city cop by their uniform.